Peace. What's up, y'all? This is Fly More once again. I just came in from outside, discovered something amazing. Maybe some other people are doing this. I haven't seen it on the internet. I'm sure that people are doing it. I didn't look for it. I just came inside, decided to make this video so I could share with you this amazing new discovery that I found out about what I can do with my drone at my house to save me some money. So check this out. It may work for you, it may not, but check it out. As you can see, we start the video with me almost crashing into a tree, the tree branches, but I survived. And be careful when you're flying near trees, especially in the fall where you can't really see the branches. However, I'm flying here, I'm doing my backyard, and I happen to just go right over, boom, you see that? Leaves just blew off the top of my tent there. And I'm like, oh, quickly, as you can see, I turn around, I head towards the roof because I have, and you'll see in a second, way too many leaves on the roof. There they go. So the leaves are there, and I just saw the leaves blow off of the tent. So guess what I'm going to do? Head over to the roof and try to make an attempt to blow the roof with the drone. And because I'm making a video, you probably know already that it was successful. But let's see, let me show you how it was done. So as you right here, I'm gauging, I'm not sure, I don't want to hit the roof, it's a little windy, so it's, I got to be careful not to blow into the roof, and it's on a pitch. So what you think, how the distance is weird, but boom, you see that? I mean, literally just flying by. I mean, this is awesome. I was pretty amazed because the day before I was out there raking, and I looked at there and I said, man, it's getting cold, I don't want to get up there. But as you can see, look at this. I mean, clean off the roof. This is dope. Check it out. Boom. I'm loving it, right? So I'm getting the handle, I'm learning, and I suggest if anyone's gonna do it slow first, get the handle. Well, do it slow the whole time, but get the handle of what you want to do, because I was making some mistakes and had to go back. But if I was to start high and sweep across and then come low and sweep across, I would have been done really quickly, which it really didn't take. It took me less than 10 minutes. It took me literally about 5 to 7 minutes to do that, and it would have been quicker had I been doing it. So like the next time I have to do that, I'll do it that way. And I also was like, you know what? I told my aunt, because her window was right beneath where you see me at now, and she saw that, and I told her, I said, hey, I think this is a cool business. I could get in and out less than a half hour, depending on the roof and the amount of leaves. But this is awesome. So as you can see, this is working like a charm, like a champ. And look at all that. It's gone. I mean, the gutters, I of course can't clean the gutters. They had already been, let's call it, infiltrated by the leaves. So some of that is just going to have to be dug out from the gutter. But the roof itself, which is high and it's a steep pitch, is it's done for the most part. I was so excited I left a little small patch, but as you can see here, I'm just going back and forth. So you go like side to side, and I turn the drone because, see, I have to keep the sensors on because I don't want to crash into the roof. But it doesn't allow, if you face in the roof, you can't do it. So I have to face me and face out, turn around, face out, and sort of boom. Now look, I turn around. I wanted to, get a vision, just to see all the work that had been done. I was a little nervous because I didn't want to go underneath that. Go underneath that tree, so I had to come out around and start working on this side. And I wasn't sure how many leaves, how many branches or whatever was hanging there for me to catch. So as I turn around, I back up. Now, of course, I still have the camera facing me, so you guys can see me flying the thing. Wasn't quite, aware that I didn't have it down. Took me a second because I'm in it. I'm into it now. I'm like a pro leaf drone blowing dude. So here we go. You can see my solar panels right there, but look at that. And I mean, that obviously had blown already because I didn't have the camera, but moving over to finish the job, you'll see, boom, it's like nothing. So I really thought it was cool. I really thought, hey, I should share this with somebody. Maybe, you guys can save some money, because I know, or a backache or time. I didn't want to do it. I was thinking about paying somebody. So for me, it kind of saved me a couple dollars. Look at that. Clean off. Just back and forth, back and forth. And I mean, you start high, work your way down, come back. I don't see why, it should take longer than 5 to 10 minutes on that. I mean, on that side with that many leaves for me. So this is just me sharing my experience with you guys. And hey, I thought it was cool, and I'm flying away. Fly more. I'm out.